we have a grenade? I need a grenade to throw at this guy. You found me. Go and look at tower. Tower's clear. Ooh, somebody's shooting at me in the tower. They like me. I don't know where the fuck he is though. Somebody get downstairs.
Strike!
Okay.
Oh, yo.
Right here. Right here.
Fuck you.
Yo. Hey. I was toying with him.
Shit.
I was playing with my food. I was gonna play with his food. I was gonna give him a grenade to hold and everything. Ask him if he wants to play cash.
Got here.
I came up the line to your roof.
My roof?
No, dude. Our
You
buddy's
okay?
roof.
Oh, I'm going to get him. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I'm coming. Oh my god.
Damn,
Ran
that
right
sounds.
past
You
him.
coming already? Jeez, we didn't even pass forward play.
We didn't get third circle yet. I see no one around. 16 players left. Wow, everyone had an RC up here. They were just RCing out.
Yep, I got a good variety of grenades. Oh man.
Oh, grenades! That's what we need! If we want some grenades, we can empty the machine.
Yeah, I got 3 frags, 3 detection, 3 smokes, man. I made it out.
Fucking bombard them.
Now I'm gonna die to the first guy. I'm running into. Oh, green ping? Yeah, it sounds like. Yeah, Fab just pinged that shit.
Oh my fucking.
Probably over there.
Oh, that damn grenade. I threw that shit down. There's more grenades over there. Somebody wants them. You see him on green ping? Oh, there he is. I'm gonna come up the zip behind you there, Orange. Hunter's closing in. Knee? Hello.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Hey,
Oh, that's you.
Haven. Your dog gave you away. Oh shit. I got 2 bars. Oop, 1 bar. No bars. Alright, there's you. Green, you want to drone?
Why are you shooting?
Get him. I'm coming. You got red armor or nothing? No. Alright. I'm coming orange. Yep, I thought of building over there. I got 700 grenades. I'm gonna get them.
I'm going to the roof of doom.
So many grenades.
They're like, what the fuck is going on, man?
Alright, 2nd floor got a grenade in it. I'm going in.
I'll detect over there. Might be all dead. I mean, we did pretty good
Got
work.
one more. One more. Tootaloo.
Sayonara, suckers!
Somebody's here. You know what I need? More
What do you
grenades.
need?
Hey,
Yeah,
they
I
have
was
a whole
just
bunch of
thinking about,
cluster bombs and shit.
You-
Check their backpacks. Down.
oh, that was probably us. Probably a grenade. I'm gonna be desensitized to grenade pins. All the grenades are bought out. We need another red man. This is bullshit.
Oh man.
We just gotta be
here's
Batman
some
and smoke
lasers.
people. Smoke
Take all
grenades
this
and
shit.
Batman.
Oh, he got grenades. Look at this guy.
Oh, right.
8 people left. Green pen, blue pen. Blue ping is super weak.
Did you kill that guy in the building, fam? Yeah, he did. He's nodding. Okay.
One more in Empire State.
are-
and one more down
We are
in the low
special. You
side.
can nod even if you don't have comps. Hi.
Up top. He's jumping off blue right now.
How you doing, man?
Wait.
Drones.
Down low on us. Where? Hello? Shoot things in face.
smokes. Oh wait, there's nades here. Somebody dropped nades. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, ping is safety.
Here
5
by
people
the
left. 2v3.
shoot.
There he is. 1v3. I have a feeling he's doing something sneaky. I do not see anybody.
Yeah, he was in this.
There he is. Yes.
Let's go.
Nice, nice.
Contractors showdown.